Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, in this video, I will be discussing the TCS Ninja interview experience. This interview happened on 10th October 2021, and guys, this is the interview experience of a selected candidate who got the offer letter in just 3 days. And guys, one more thing, this is the 14th TCS Ninja interview experience that I'm posting for the 2022 batch students, and overall it is the 19th TCS Ninja interview experience on this channel. So guys, kindly make sure that if you have your interview experience in coming weeks, then kindly make sure to visit this playlist. I will give the link of this playlist in the I button on the description box. Make sure to check out every video in this playlist. It will be really helpful for you while you are preparing for your TCS Ninja interview. And guys, if you want certain types of videos to be posted on my channel, you can always comment down and give me reference at what type of videos you want to see on my channel. So guys, having said this, let's just start this video. And before starting the video, kindly hit the like button as well as the subscribe button for this channel. Guys, before moving ahead in this video, I would like to give you a piece of information. We all know that the CAT exams are nearing and they are in the next month. Now for this purpose only, the Unacademy, that is India's largest educational platform, has organized the All India Mock Test Series for CAT 2021, and this series is completely free. The mock test happens every Sunday, and one such mock test is tomorrow also, that is on 31st October 2021. Guys, these particular mock tests are completely based on the new CAT pattern that will be happening, that you will get in November, and more such reasons are there for enrolling in this free mock test series. First one is that you will get a live in-depth analysis session by experts. You will get accurate and complete test performance report after your exam is over. You will be getting strategy sessions with the top percentilers, and they can tell you that how you can increase your score in the CAT exam. All this you can get by enrolling in this free mock test series, and you can use my link, that is the Code Bashers, in enrolling in this free mock test series. Guys, this is a very great opportunity for you guys to see that where you stand in all India ranking, because the CAT exam is near and it is in next month only. And if you want to get the plus subscription of Unacademy, then again you can use my link to get a 10% discount on that plus membership. All the links are in the description box. Kindly check them out. Okay, so guys, the date of the interview was 10th October 2021. The branch of my friend was CSC. The duration of the interview was 30 minutes. And guys, this interview was long because there were questions from different sides. Like there were questions from DBMS, Python, project, as well as little bit of web based questions were also there. So kindly do not skip any of these questions and watch the video till the end, because after the question, with every question I tell you the answers also. So kindly wait till the end of the video. Okay, so the first question, as you all know, will be introduce yourself. Kindly mention only those skills in which you are comfortable in. Your answer can be 1 to 2 minutes long, and that's it that I have to say about this question, because in past videos I have described in detail that how you have to form up your introduce yourself thing. So if you want me to make a separate video for only this particular question, then I will surely make it just like this video and comment down. Okay. Now next is, do you know SQL? So yes, my friend knew SQL, so she said yes, she knew SQL. But again, if you do not know any certain technology, you can simply say no, that I do not know SQL. Then it will also be good, because the question will not be asked from SQL then. Okay. Next question was simple, that how to retrieve data in SQL. So simple query to fetch the data in SQL. So it is select star from table name. So this is the basic query that you have to write to fetch all the data from the SQL table. Okay. Next is, what is the use of having clause? Now guys, this is a tricky question. See, many of you get confused that what is a having clause and what is a where clause. These two clauses are different. Now, having clause is used by group by clause, whereas the where clause was used with the select statement. So having clause is used by group by clause. Having clause is used to filter the data received by group by statement. So first group by statement is used, and then the data that is received, that is filtered with the help of this having clause. So I hope now this thing is clear to you. For example, you can see that select count, that is the column name, from customer, group by country. Now from this particular statement, certain data will be retrieved. Now that data will be filtered with the help of this having, that is having customer ID greater than 5. So we have to fetch all those countries, all those number of countries where customer ID is greater than 5. So I hope this thing is clear to you. Next is, what is indexing in SQL? So guys, indexing is a very complex topic. I cannot explain just indexing in single video, or you can say in 1 to 2 minutes. So I have given this link in the description box of tutorial points, where you can see that how these indexes are working. and what are indexing in SQL and how we use them and what are their uses. So I hope this question is clear to you. Next is explain OOPS concepts in OOPS concepts. So guys, there are majorly four OOPS concepts. First is abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and guys, I have made a dedicated video on my channel in which I have described each of these pillars of OOPS in detail with the help of real life example and how you have to explain these questions to the interviewer. So I will give that video link in the I button or in the description box. Kindly check out this video and it will be really helpful for you while you are explaining your OOPS concepts to the interviewer. Okay. Now, these are all the SQL questions. Now there will be 2 to 3 Python related questions that were asked. First of all, what is the difference between tuple and a list? Now guys, it is a very basic question that can be asked from you in a Python interview. And for that purpose also, I have made a dedicated video on my channel in which I have discussed the most commonly or most important Python interview questions. So again, that video is present in the description box and in the I button. Kindly check that video also. So here the question is, what is the difference between tuple and a list? So first of all, lists are mutable. What is the meaning of mutable? Mutable means once the list is created, we can change the elements in the list. Whereas tuples are immutable. Once a tuple is created, we cannot change the elements in the tuple. The next difference is list consume more memory as compared to tuple. Tuples are faster, but lists are little slower. So these are the major difference between tuple and a list. And guys, whenever a difference is asked to you in an interview, kindly give at least 2 points of difference. So I hope this question is clear to you. Next is what are modules in Python? So again, it is a very commonly asked Python question in an interview. So first of all, a Python module is a file that contains Python definitions and statements. For example, a module can contain functions, it can contain classes, as well as module can contain variables also. So this is a basic definition of module, that it is the collection of function, classes and variables. So I hope this question is clear to you. Next is what is the difference between dynamic and static website. So guys, by name also we can tell the difference. The dynamic website does not remain same all the time. They keep on changing. For example, the weather app, the cricket score app. So all the scores are dynamically changing. So it is a dynamic example of dynamic things. Whereas static websites remain same for all the times. For example, a static web page, for example, the web pages that are made with HTML, they remain static. So I hope these things are clear to you. Okay. Next is explain your project in detail. So guys, in every interview, not in TCS, but in every company, this question will be asked from you, and it is a very important question for your interview because the interviewer wants to know that what all technologies you know and how in depth you have the understanding of that technology. So kindly build at least one project in your resume. For any company, the interview you are giving, you should have at least one project in your resume. And how you have to explain your project to the interviewer, that also I have made a dedicated video on my channel in which I have described the step-by-step procedure to explain your project to the interviewer. So I hope these technical questions are clear to you because these were the technical questions which are asked from my friend. There were no MR questions. Now we will be discussing the HR questions. So we have discussed TR. Now we are coming to the HR questions. So these are the 4 HR questions that are asked from my friend. First of all, what do you know about TCS? Again, in any company, if you are sitting, you must read about 2 to 3 facts about that company and their recent news. Next is, do you have any friends working in TCS? So again, it is dependent on you. You can say yes or no. Next is, do you want to ask any question? So HR is asking that, do you have any questions from HR? So you can simply say, yes, I have a question. Do not say that, no, I don't have any question. You can ask that what will be your role in the organization, what all technologies you will be working on, what does the company expects from us. So all these things you can ask from the HR or any person that asks you this question. It will show them that yes, you are truly interested in the company and you want to be working in that company. So last question was willing to work night shifts. Again, it is dependent on you only that what you say about this answer. So these are all the questions, technical round questions plus HR round questions that we discussed in this video that were asked from this candidate. And again, I have told you that she is selected and she got the offer letter in 3 days after her interview. So guys, I hope this video will be beneficial for you if you are giving your interviews. Thank you for watching it. Kindly subscribe this channel and also you can tell the topics for which you want the video on this channel. Again, you can comment down anything. So guys, thank you for watching this video.